In this video I just want to go over something really quickly. It is how to update your Amplify shaders from Unity 2021 HDRP to 2022 using Amplify Shader Editor. So if you've made some shaders using ASE Amplify Shader Editor, then you want to go to your preferences and just click the force template inline properties checkbox so it's checked. Right, so do that, and then I'm going to import the blood decal and FX here and show you these being updated. So I've had a couple of customers say that this version doesn't convert well into 2022. They're custom shaders, so Unity won't be able to upgrade them. And I've just used that checkbox, and we should have issues with it until we rebuild the shaders. Rebuilding the shaders with that checked will mean that we'll use the older template as far as I can see, and the newer template has some issues. This is quite a large pack. I think it's 200 or 300 megs worth of 136 megs worth of stuff. Okay, and you can see already there's a few red flags. So what I'd do is just click on this and it should show me the shader. And with that, I'll go back to where it was, preferences, force template inline properties, make sure that's checked. Now when we open this, just check everything's connected like it should be, right, and then compile, and that should fix. See, template changed drastically, it says down the bottom there, but that's now fixed. And we go here, now we see there's less. Click this one, select it, let's just do save, close that and open this. You can see it's actually a pink material as well, it's not compiled right. Everything's connected okay. Template changed drastically, removing invalid passes. So there's been some sort of change between 2021 and 2022 that Amplify have been aware of, and they've made sure that we get our old templates back. Is kind of what I think is happening. So yeah, I'm just recompiling with that done, and now you can see there's less. So I've got a few to get through here. Let's just save, open that. You can see this is where the problem appears. Everything's connected, and compile. Okay, yeah, let's close that. Let's see. Hopefully it gets rid of these errors here. There we go, so the errors are gone and the shader's working correctly. And let's go back to the console, so now there's just a few left to go. Oh, let's make sure I choose. Okay. So if you are converting from 2021 to 2022 and you know the shaders are made with Amplify Shader and you have Amplify Shader, which I totally recommend you get it. If you're not already used to using Shader Graph, that is. Shader Graph is pretty powerful now and catching up in terms of features. But a lot of my shaders are Amplify Shader made, and I'm slowly looking into making Shader Graph versions, but I'm not in any hurry for that because this works really well. I just I like the support you get with Amplify Shader. It's fairly fast. They're fast to update into latest versions of Unity and things. And this is one of those fixes. You can see. Oh, okay. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's that, and Save. I think everything should be good now. So we'll just check here and clear that. Let's check the scene. And save. Yep, everything looks good. Although these don't. So let's just see. Select the shader here. Yep. Let's fix this one. Yeah, that's also good. Yeah, and everything's updated and working well. Let's just test the scene. Make sure it's animating. These do look a bit pink in my opinion. This is also not animating. Maybe it needs to be this. There we go. Okay, that's that. Right, so the only thing I saw was the chunks look kind of pink. Okay, there we go. So there's a missing diffusion profile in these. That's it. Yep, that's now fixed. So there's the things that you might need to fix if you're doing this yourself, if you've just ported your project over. But otherwise, I'm going to upload this as an update for 2022.2. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it's helpful for anyone using Amplify Shader as well, converting their shaders. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.